Service Department. Good morning. My name is Angelica. How may I help you?
Yes, good morning. I would like to order for breakfast.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Tricia of room 301.
Thank you, ma'am. May I have your order, please?
I would like to order for bacon and egg and tuna sandwich.
How would you like your egg to be done? Would you like it scrambled or sunny side up?
I prefer sunny side up, please.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like to order a fresh mango juice or brewed coffee?
Yes, please. I would like to have a fresh mango juice.
For how many serving, ma'am?
For only one, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You have ordered 1 serving of bacon and egg tuna sandwich, fresh mango juice. Did it get your order right, ma'am?
Yes, that's right.
Are you going to pay cash or shall I charge it to your room account?
I'm paying cash, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Your total bill is 750 pesos. Are you going to give me an exact amount?
No, I have 1,000 pesos bill, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Your order will be delivered to your as soon as possible. Maybe with 20 minutes. Thank you for calling. Bye. Room service. Good morning, Ma'am Tricia. Room of 301. Here's your room for service order. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Would you like to meet the transfer with your table?
Yes.
Like me to stay to assist for your needs.
No, thanks.
I present your bill. Thank you, ma'am. I received 1,000 pesos. Here your change and receipt. What time would you like to come back to clear and solve dishes?
Come back after 1 hour.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Thank you very much. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to all call for your service department. Enjoy and have a nice day.